we might just have our first fair comparison going on. Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. Does the X6200 measure up to the X6100? Let's go take a look. All right, I got a whole lot of stuff going on here. Let's get the scale turned on, and we don't want to use milliliters or grams, pounds and ounces, because we're in the US. All right, so what I have is the original Xiegu microphone that came with the 6100. That comes in at 5 pounds. 5 pounds. That comes in at 5.10 ounces. And then the new big boy microphone that comes with the X6200. This is actually really nice, and it's really heavy, and you're going to see it here at 8.3, 8.2 ounces. And then for comparison's sake, I call this the X6100 heavy because I have the carrying handle and I have the metal protection rails on the side of it. Let's see what we have. Almost 2 pounds, 1 pound, 15.7 ounces. And then for the X6200, 2 pounds, 2.20 ounces. So it's a beefy boy. All right, and let's get all of this into the screen area all at once. All right, and we are looking at receive current draw. It's still booting up. Let's wait for it to finish. .44 amps. 6 watts, just sitting there doing nothing. And then let's see what we can do. And 1.21. Did that actually put out a signal, though? There we go. That's at 4 watts. It's chewing up 2.20 amps. Let's change the power. Wrong direction. To 8 watts. .84 amps. And for comparison's sake, let's repeat the same test with the X6100. All right, and again, sitting there doing nothing, we are at 0.88, 0.89 I saw, 0.88 amps draw. And then let's key down at 5 watts, 2.07 amps. And then let's change this over to 10 watts. .68 amps. And then let's do some comparison measurements for you. All right, if we sit this down on the mat, these are 1/2 inch squares, and we are at 7.5 inches. And then if we turn it this way, we are at 2.5 inches. And if we turn it this way here, we're a little over 3.5 inches because of the carrying strap. And let's take a look at this one. All right, again, these are 1/2 inch blocks, and that puts us at a little under 8.5. And then from nose to tail, 1, 2.5. And then for height, from top to bottom, we are 1, 2, 3.5. Seems like it's a little bit bigger in all directions except for output power. What do you think about that? Leave a comment down below and let me know. Just wanted to quickly share that with you along the journey of what the X6200 can do. I don't know why I'm rhyming. So there's some more for you on the X6200 journey, the saga of the radio. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel here in order to follow along for more information on the X6200 as it comes out. There is a video right over here where I took a look at how the X6200 compared to the X6100 in terms of birdies. Tweet, tweet. I'll see you over there. Thanks for being awesome.